Good evening, everyone. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
I hope you all must be feeling like a kid in a candy store or chuffed to bits. Today we are gonna have interesting debate or critical thinking class. So the topic, all about today's topic is money versus time. What is most important? Before we get started, I just wanna ask you a very simple question. What is most important? If I gave you 1 crore rupees or extra year of your life,
So first of all, hello everyone is in front of you. So first of all, I will start our topic, and the topic name is money versus time. So I'm supporting money, of course. Money is very important, so in our life, So let's ask a simple question. In this generation, so let's ask like now, before couples of minutes, couples of seconds, so ask a simple question, and that the question is that if you are getting a chance to extend few years of your life, or means get a chance to get 1 crore rupees, means what will you choose? So I say the 1 crore rupees. Extending life can be in any situation. You can be a poor person, you can be anything in your life. You have to do all the things. Only money is there, which can improve your life. Only money is there, which can make your life fantabulous, marvelous. You can live your life. You can live your life as you want to live with your life. बहुत सबके सपने होते हैं. They want to buy the car, but they means उनके पास जिंदगी पड़ी होती है, but वो कार खरीद नहीं सकते. They are having so many things. They are having dream to teach their children from high schools, means private schools. वो नहीं का जिंदगी पड़ी होती है, बहुत टाइम है, but they are means not capable to teach their children to the means big schools and private schools. Why? There's only one thing is there. I am also having time. Sir is also having time. Mukesh Ambani is also having time. Elon Musk is also having time. The Bill Gates is also having time. George Bezos is also having. Everyone is having time and time and time. But only one thing is there in the whole world which make the difference between me, between Sir, between Elon Musk, between Mukesh Ambani, between George Bezos, between the richest person in the whole world, and that is the money. The pieces of paper, the currencies, the coins, the gold, these all things are there which make the difference between the people. How can we judge the people? By their money. If you are having a competition, how can we judge? पहले एक बंदे को मेरे को एलन मस्क से जज करने के लिए कुछ होना भी तो चाहिए.
Bounce. So let me invite another person on the stage. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Nigam के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Who would be speaking from the side of time? Just come.
So guys, in this generation, money is important, but I think not that much. I think time is important, because when you are going in the hospital, you are about to die. At that time, you are having a lots of money, but at that time, you are not having the time. If you are having the time, you can save your life, but you are not having the time. Because of not having the time, you can't save your life. I must have seen so many. PM is there, CM is there. There are many people. Everyone bound to die one day. They are having time. They are having money. Sir, they are having money. Why are they not able to save their life? They are having the money. ये तो पैसे वाले हैं. बिल गेट्स है, एलन मस्क है, अंबानी है, जेफ बेजोस है. मनी तो है, बट मर क्यों रहे? उसके पास मनी है तो मरना नहीं चाहिए ना. He is not supposed to die. Whether he is rich, whether he is poor, everyone is dying on this earth, on this planet. Whether he is having the time or he is rich, means to say time is important, not money is important according to me.
He was saying all the things that means like we are having only 1 minute, only 2 minutes in the hospital, and we are not having a lots of money, but we are not having time. I want to like his kindness. I want to say him. बहुत से लोगों के पास टाइम कम होता है इसलिए नहीं मरते हैं. बहुत से लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं होता इसलिए हॉस्पिटल में मर जाते हैं. They are not having money to paying the bills in hospital. They are not having money to be paying the operation bills. उनके पास 2-2 लाख रुपए से किडनी ट्रांसफर करने उसको पैसे नहीं है. हार्ट अटैक के लिए so many things are there. They have to transplant their heart, they have to transfer their kidney, they have to transfer so many things in their body. They have so many diseases, but they are not having money. That's why they are dying. What Frivolous Fund, he was saying like we can't stop that by the money. It is the truth. It is the universal truth. Like no one one is there who can stop that. But how? But you know why? How money make difference? बचपन से लेके मरने तक मैं कैसे जिया? How I am living from my birth to my end. That you can take the example of Ranveer को क्या कमी है उसके लिए? What the last thing is in Ranveer Singh is there, Shah Rukh Khan is there, so many actors are there, so many businessmen are there. What is left for them? क्या कमी है? And what about those all people? उसके पास सिर्फ टाइम ही है और कुछ नहीं है उनके पास. They are having only the time. They are living their life. They are spending their life. कटरी तो काट लेते हैं, but वो काट नहीं रहे. Actors, businessmen, the professionals, the rich people in the whole world, they are not spending their life. They are living their life by enjoying their life. You know, sir?
They say money is life. Let me ask you this: if you have lost all your money, okay, you can earn it, okay, but if you lost all your time, could you ever get it back?
Yes. You are saying, I am having lots of money.
Okay.
I am having lots of money. I lost it. I am having lots of money and I lost it. And I can earn
You
it.
can earn it.
I can earn
You
it.
can earn it by yourself.
I can
but
earn-
if you lost all your time, you can earn it. You can because time is irreversible. Time never comes back.
No, just I am saying your time has gone, but has gone. Just focus on today and earn money because only money is there, which can make your time good, which can make your time up means a good time. How can you spend good time with your family? I am saying again, everyone is having time. मेरे पास भी time है, सर के पास भी time है, but what we need, you know, you are saying time has gone. हम मर गए. Suppose मैं मर गया.
तो ये बोलेगा, हाँ.
मैं मर गया. मैं मरने के बाद क्या सोचूंगा? मैंने ये
कि मुझे टाइम चाहिए कि मुझे पैसा चाहिए. वो पहले बोलेगा कि मुझे टाइम चाहिए.
Sir, according to me, Jita means like a beggar also living his life. A beggar is also living his life. I mean, like a beggar is also living a life. A poor man.
Time नहीं होगा तो तुम पैसे कैसे बनाओगे?
A poor man is also a poor man is also living his life, and everyone is living his life, and a rich man is also living his life. But we make a difference between the poor man, between the beggar, and between the rich person. The question is that, you know, like about your question is that if we are not having time, so how can we create money? You are saying if we are not having time, so how can we create money? Now I want to like give you a simple answer. If you are saying time is important and time is better than the money, so why you are earning money by spending your precious time? Just live with your family now. Just live with your family. Just spend time with you. को पता है what do you mean to say? What do you mean to say? Means अगर मैं पैसे कमाने में लग गया and family में बस time नहीं spend नहीं कर पाऊंगा and मरने के बाद मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ थोड़ा और time मिल जाए and family member के पास एक peaceful and अच्छी सी life spend करूंगा. You are saying that? You are saying पैसे कमा क्यों रहो? पूरी जिंदगी परिवार वालों के साथ रहो ना. If you want to say this, because the universal truth is there. If you want to spend time with your family members, you need money for spending on them and making them happy.
Firstly,
अगर तुम पैसे कमाते हो तो तुम्हारे फैमिली टाइम देते हो तुम्हारे फैमिली वाले. If you will give time to your family members, they will tell you why not earning money. If you are earning money and not giving time to your family members, they will say why not giving time to me. The better option is just earn money.
I will give you a real example.
Just give me a real example.
I will give you a real example. If you love someone, okay, on their deathbed, would they ask for time or would they ask for money?
Yes.
You know, now here are two situations. Now here are two situations about the probability of a death or of a life. Let's just look at two situations. What she will ask from me. What she will ask from me, she will ask me about, she will ask me the time. But what my responsibility is there? How can I increase the probability of her lives? By giving money to doctors. You know, sir, the doctor in some like in India, so many couples, I mean, so many parents are there, like in the bed, they are about to die. The doctors are coming and saying, sorry, your parents will die in 1 month. And then if a person is having money, he can hire a doctor from abroad. Russia, you know about the Canada's doctor? Do you know about the Russian doctors? Do you know what I mean?
I have a simple question for you.
You know, sir,
You can buy time. You can buy time.
You know, if you ask,
You can buy time. You can buy sleep. You can buy talent. You can buy happiness.
you know, sir, I can't buy this all this, but I can make it better by using the money. मैं
You can-
you know, sir, एक कच्ची ब्रेड मींस एक ब्रेड खाने से अच्छा उसको टोस्ट बना के खाओ. एक मींस एक मैदा का एक आप eating a means slice of मैदा is better means like better is better eating a pizza. एक मैदे के ब्रेड से अच्छा खाना पिज्जा खाना होता है. You know, it is eating like it is there only means you are eating only pulses. It is that it means eating means eating a good restaurant food is better than eating a small things. I am not saying मैं खरीद सकता हूँ, but मैं से better कर सकता हूँ. Always is here for betterment of their life.
And I'm the favor of time. I know you have lot of money, but how you create it? Tell me. When you spend your time, you come here, you spend your time by because you learn. Why you learn?
How did you learn?
By giving money to sir.
By only giving birth. Okay.
मैंने टाइम स्पेंड किया ना, टाइम स्पेंड करने की परमिशन किस चीज, you know, I spent time in the search tuition. We time spent time in search tuition in सूरत की सृष्टि. Which thing give me permission to come here? Which thing give me permission to spend time here? Only the money. Who is there who can learn in the institutions for spending time, for giving your time? You need the money. You need what you need? You need money. Suppose a company is there. Commerce side हो ना, एक क्वेश्चन पूछता सिंपल सादा सा. A company is there, okay? That company wants to take his company next level. How can it take that company to next level? बिना resources के, बिना capital के, बिना किसी चीज के ऊपर ले जाएगी. How can that company buy the resources? How can that buy the capital? If that company is not having capital, how can that company buy company buy this all things, and how can they go to the next level? Suppose
वो बोलने बैठ लो चलेगा.
suppose मैं अकेला खड़ा होता हूँ. Suppose एक बार अब child is taking birth in the world. नया धरती पे पैदा होता है. Our parents are happy that I got a child. What will help them to make that child a good person in his life? If they are having only time can they make their child to take them to best level? Can that parents teach them? Can that parent make bring medicines for that child? Can that parents do all the things which all parents are doing for that child? Can they do? They need work, they need capital, they need work, they will have investment on that child, that child can become something in his life in the future. Time सबके पास है, but difference क्या बना रहा है? पैसा. Money is making a difference in every situation.
You said, okay, imagine she's buying a cylinder. You need to go to gas agency. If you doesn't have a time, how can you go?
Yes.
Can you go?
I go to gas agency and tell that